Hey everyone, if your Vercel deployment keeps failing, the build process stops unexpectedly, or your application won't go live, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Vercel deployment failed errors in 2026. First, open the deployment logs and read the exact error message. The build logs usually provide the fastest way to identify what went wrong during deployment. Another helpful step is checking for syntax errors, missing imports, or broken code. Even a small coding mistake can stop the entire build process. If your application uses environment variables, verify that all required variables have been added correctly in your Vercel project settings. Missing API keys and configuration values are among the most common deployment issues. You should also make sure environment variable names match exactly between your code and Vercel configuration. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Vercel support or share the deployment logs with a developer. The build logs usually contain the exact information needed to diagnose the issue. And that's how to fix Vercel deployment failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking build logs, fixing code errors, verifying dependencies, and configuring environment variables correctly will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.